Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you an exciting new Robotics Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. The Robotics Layout Pack has all the tools you need to build a clean and professional robotics website with ease. The pack is full of fresh custom graphics that are perfect for any site in the robotics industry. And you can use it to showcase all of your robotic products and services with dedicated layouts for each. So take it for a spin today. You're going to love it. All right, now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where we show you how you can put this robotics layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding these pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of those pre-made layouts without any problems. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating all of your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Give the page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the Robotics Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want and then click to use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your different pages and then add the corresponding pre-made layouts from the Robotics Layout Pack to each of those pages. When you're done creating all of your pages, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, you'll go over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then select to create menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. Once you're done, go ahead and make sure and select your display location to be primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding home page layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Robotics Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Robotics Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.